You said you wanted to be a little more on the attack mode, and it looked like you were tonight. Happy with that?
Yeah, I mean, for sure. I think, a little bit different than the last start. I think we were, like I said, I'm an aggressive out over the plate and got some early swings. Got some ground balls and whenever I had to. And then, felt we did a pretty good job. Obviously, we weren't on the good side of it, but you know what? I mean, it's definitely a positive, just the way that I felt and the way everything went.
Well, you stretched it out as far as you have for a while. How'd you feel at the end of it?
Yeah, I felt fine. Like I said, I think, everything was still there. I felt like I made some pretty good pitches there towards the end of the ball game whenever I had to. And I think it's, that even the triple there to Torrellis, I mean, it was maybe a little bit up. But, that was the second slider he's seen all day. So he actually, he stayed with it when it went the other way. Not much you can do about that. Maybe he'll execute a little bit better. But then that pitch to Gardner, we did exactly what we were trying to do. 2 strikes, especially after the cutter. We tried to go up in the zone, and, he did whatever he could to, get that sac fly.
How do you assess this Yankee lineup as far as pitching to it? Is it a tough lineup to go after?
Yeah, I think so. Honestly, personally, it's obviously the lineup's a lot of veteran guys. A lot of veteran guys that make you work and in some sort of ways, and they hit mistakes. Yeah. Teixeira proved that they're Teixeira. I try to throw a cutter, up and in, and I just came back over the plate and he took advantage of it. So it's one of those lineups that you just got to be careful. You got to limit those mistakes.
All right. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.